Most beginners fall into the trap of going directly to monthly subscriptions while they can self-host n8n for free. In less than 5 minutes, I will show you how to self-host n8n using Docker. Let's dive in. In a new tab, I will type in docker.com. Click on Download Docker Desktop. Then you'll have to choose your operation system. As you can see, we got multiple. I'll just choose mine and then click, and Docker will be downloading. For now, I already have my Docker on my desktop, so I just close this one and go to open my Docker. In the left, I'll click on Images, then search Images to run, to type in n8n. Here you will find multiple n8n images. Choose the second one, the one that has the logo, the n8n logo, and then click Pull. So the n8n image will be added right shortly, and then click on Run in the right. Option Settings, type in your container name. You can choose whatever name you want. And then down below, type in 5678. And then before we click on the host path, just go and create a new folder. I just named it n8n self-hosting, as you can see. You can name it whatever you want. Let's go back, click on the host path, and choose your folder. Select, and here, type in /home /node /n8n, and then click on Run. So after that, you will see your n8n container running on the logs. After it finishes, you'll find the link down below, localhost dot 5678. It's your local host, n8n. Just click on the localhost link and it'll open a new tab. Now you can create a new account. It'll be another account other than the account on the n8n cloud. If you already have one, just type in your information and then click on Next. Therefore, right after you click Next, you can start creating your workflows. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful and see you next time.